The biggest mistakes people make at the scene of a car accident are probably not documenting the scene. You're there, the accident's just occurred, and there's an ample opportunity to get all kinds of pictures that can help your case later. The other big mistake people make is not getting the contact information from the person that hit you. Without that information, it becomes very, very difficult to make that claim. Should you ever apologize or admit fault at the scene of the accident? If it's your fault, it's human nature to want to apologize for what happened. However, that could significantly damage your case. What you want to do is you want to go talk to the other party, get the information you need, talk to any of the investigating officers, give them the information they need, but by no means ever admit it was your fault, even though you may feel like it. What evidence should you be collecting at the scene of your car accident? First thing is, get a lot of photos. Get photos of the vehicles, get photos of the scene, get photos of the surrounding area, get photos of any traffic control devices, stoplights, stop signs. These are all very important to move your case forward. Another thing you should be collecting is the information from the other driver. Make sure you've got his contact information. Make sure you've got his insurance information. Because if you don't have that information, it becomes very difficult to make that claim. Calling insurance first or calling an attorney first? What you should do. I always find it helpful to immediately let my insurance company know that I've been in an accident. Once you do that, then you can determine, based upon what happened in the accident, what your potential injuries may be, whether or not you think you can go back to work. At that point, it would be wise to contact an attorney to get a professional opinion on how you should pursue this claim. How social media posts after an auto accident can be used against you. I always like to take the position that I'm not posting anything unless I absolutely have to. If you post on social media, there's a lot of social media sleuths out there. You might say the wrong thing. You might take a picture that you think helps your case or post a picture that helps your case that actually helps prove the other side's case. It's always best practices to not post anything on social media that can come back and bite you later.